Well, what do you say we talk about the New York case against Donald Trump that took place in a courtroom in New York City by Alvin Bragg, the district attorney who has a dislike of Trump that is beyond normal expectations. Well, that trial went on for 6 weeks. And if you remember, there were so many things happening in that trial, even legal experts are saying, no, you can't do that. They said this thing is so full of errors that it looks like Swiss cheese. And yet, the jury convicted Donald Trump of 34 counts, felony counts. Now, the judge says, well, we're going to have sentencing on the 18th of November. That was his plan. Well, obviously, we had the election. Actually, that was the second time the judge said that. But 18th of November was the plan to say, here's the sentence the judge was going to impose. Well, the 18th of November came around, and the DA, Alvin Bragg, had written a letter to Judge Marchan saying, hey, Judge, what do you say we hold this case over till 2029? 2029, and then, Your Honor, you could sentence him after he's out of office. Now, sounds kind of ridiculous for something that the attorneys are saying, hey, this thing's going to be overturned flat out. It's got so many holes in it, it's Swiss cheese. But 2029, now why is Alvin Bragg doing this? Judge could say, no, we're buttoning this thing up, it's done, I don't want to go through the hassle now. Well, the judge is now saying, I will take that under consideration. Why are they doing this? All right, I'll tell you exactly why they're doing it. The only thing the left has left, and I hate to say it as redundant as that sounds, is that they can still say, Donald Trump, he may be president, but he's a convicted felon. You see, that's all they got left. They got nothing else they can say because everything else has been squashed down. And the only thing they have left is this particular count that's going to be overturned anyway, and everybody knows it. Everybody knows it's a fraud. It was lawfare. It was bringing a case that never should have brought up, was totally outside the bounds. Statute of limitations had run out. It was a misdemeanor. Nobody wanted to get near it but Alvin Bragg. But now he wants to delay it until 2029 so politicians can use it against Trump for the entire time that he is in office. A convicted felon. And this is exactly what they're trying to do. Just so you understand the reasoning behind this, Alvin Bragg, he's got to have something to say, or else he's got nothing to say at all. And that's the reason this is all going down the way it's going down.